Sometimes I don't even recognize myself anymore of how much I love to work in my garden. It is one of the things that brings me so much joy. My kids are older now, and I think I'm just in my garden era. Today I'm going to be planting these Superbena Whiteouts. These have been hard to find. I have looked over every garden center in my area, and I couldn't find them anywhere. This is what a little bit more mature Superbena Verbena Whiteout looks like. The butterflies love them. They kind of mound up. I fell in love with them in the ground last year because they are so firm. That's not the right. Yeah, I guess that is the right word. That the leaves are hardy. They don't need watered a whole lot. They're just a really good plant. What I found. To me, they've done better in my area than the Supertunias. You can see there's some Supertunia Bubblegum Vista behind me, and the verdict's out. I don't know. They've kind of struggled in some areas. I was hoping to make a carpet of pink there in the front. We've had so much rain and it's affected them. They've just gotten too much rain almost. So hopefully that'll even out. We're going on a hot streak here, so hopefully that will help. Next up, I really need to choose my mulch. What's your favorite color mulch? I know for me, I've always done the black, but I've heard things about the black. I've heard that there's plastic mixed in the black and it doesn't break down as well as the natural colors. So I've been on the fence this time of what I want to do. But I just think the black looks so good with the colorful plants. The contrast just, in my opinion, looks so good. So I don't know. I'm on the fence. What's your favorite color? Do you have a preference? I need to make sure I get these watered in really good because I'm actually going to water them before I plant them. I'm also going to go ahead and set up the drip irrigation to these two plants. I know I don't need it right now with all the rain, but at some point this summer I think I will. Surely it'll dry out some. This is a goof plug. It goes in the end to make sure no water runs out after I wrap it around the plant here. I put drip around all of my annuals. I don't know how it's going to work. This is a very DIY drip situation, and I'm not sure. I did a full video about it the other day and posted that. You can go back and watch it. I'll put it above. I'm also going to get the drip over to this other Superbena over here. This is the more mature one I planted because I only could find this one. I can't even remember where I found it. And then the other two, I was at Lowe's and I was rummaging around the shelves and I randomly found the two that I planted today. And I'm not sure how well they're going to last because they don't have any blooms on them, but they do have green. So that does give me hope that they can bounce back. I should have honestly asked for a discount of how sad they looked, but I didn't even think about it at the time. I just was so excited to find them. But yeah, we'll see if they grow. I usually have success with things, even though they don't have blooms when I buy them. It doesn't necessarily mean that they're, unrecoverable. So I'm hopeful. I'm excited because they just are so pretty. I love the Superbena Verbenas. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you have an amazing day and you find yourself some Superbenas to plant in your garden. See you next time.